What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get this stunning MSO McLaren Elva Golf theme that just debuted at the Goodwood SpeedWeek. Now, McLaren has been enjoying great success with its recent models from the Ultimate Series, be it the Senna GT-R, or the 3-seater Speedtail. But the same thing cannot be said about the Elva, as the windowless machine is a victim of bad timing by hitting the market in the middle of a pandemic. Now, 1%ers are less eager to shell out at least $1.7 million for the Hyper Roadster, prompting McLaren to cut down production run from 399 to just 249 and then just to 149. But as of late, the Elva is developing all sorts of liveries, and the latest one might just be the best. Celebrating McLaren's renewed tie-up with the Gulf Oil brand, the Roofless Ultimate Series model wears a retro-flavored theme developed by MSO. And if it's a sign of things to come for customers, they will be able to order McLarens with the Golf livery straight from the factory through the MSO division. Now, the McLaren Elva Golf theme harkens back to the original partnership from the late 1960s through the early 1970s when the Can-Am, Formula One, and Indy cars had the attractive livery. Now, in the 1990s, you saw the iconic F1 GT-R racing at Le Mans with a Golf look, while in recent years, you've seen the 675 LT and the Road Legal P1 GT-R dressed to impress in the Golf livery. Now, the special Elva celebrates its world premiere at the Goodwood SpeedWeek, which due to the coronavirus outbreak has been transformed into a closed-doors live broadcast. And McLaren says that its bespoke MSO division has completed the specification of the first Elvas in its advanced talks with additional customers to create a further dramatic paintwork and liveries. Now, although the production run has been cut not once, but twice compared to the initial plan, there are still cars up for grabs. The 804 horsepower specialty vehicle plays in an elite league of those other roofless cars, including the Ferrari Monza SP1, SP2, Bentley, also Lamborghini with the SCV12 Speedster to follow, and so forth, so on. But with that said, what do you guys think about this Golf livery on the McLaren Elva? Did MSO nail it out the park? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a big like helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this MSO debuted McLaren Elva Golf theme livery. Now, with that said, in case you guys want to further help support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. In case you guys want to throw a couple extra dollars to the channel, help support your boy. You can also follow my Patreon, be a monthly subscriber, or check out the Ron's Rise merch. We can get t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise. Check that out as well. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. See everything, car memes, pictures, videos that I'm posting that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe, but click that notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox and you do not miss one. Now, with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.